Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, January 9th. Today we will do a body scan practice. Body scans are a foundational mindfulness practice used in many traditions. By scanning the body, we get to know the feelings we experience more clearly. And the mind also learns to rest in the present time experience, focusing on what is in front of us. Without any further ado, take a comfortable position. Allow the eyes to close gently. Of course, if you prefer to do it with your eyes open, that's also a possibility. No problem. And just take a moment to make any minor adjustments to be as comfortable as you can be in this moment. Take a few nice deep breaths, arriving in the present time experience of breathing. Remember, deep breaths are not big breaths. It's about the depth of your experience, not the volume of air you take in. Now bring your awareness up to the crown of the head. What can you physically feel up here at the top of the head? Remember, you don't need to fix anything, figure anything out, or make anything special happen. Just notice your experience. Continue down to the forehead and brow. You may be able to feel the temperature of the air on the skin, maybe some tension, or maybe the simple neutral feeling of the skin. Whatever you can feel, tend to it with mindfulness, without judgment. Now move your awareness to the cheeks and jaw. Rest here a little bit, gently observing what you can physically feel. Tune into the feeling at the nostrils and upper lip. Although you may feel many things here, the breath is generally the most obvious. So feel the sensations of breathing with each inhalation and exhalation. Next, move into the mouth, focusing on the tongue, lips, teeth. Notice how the tongue is resting, the sensations of saliva, any movement in the mouth. Continue to move through the upper body in the same way, mindfully, without judgment. Move your awareness slowly through the neck, out the shoulders, down to the hands. And rest with each area of the body for a few moments, patiently observing what is present. Now bring your awareness back up to the shoulder blades and move down the back of your body. Feel the posture of the spine, the muscles in the back, and any expansion and contraction as the body breathes. Now tune into the front of the torso, starting at the chest. You may feel the clothes on the body, or maybe the breath in the body. And continue down the torso into the belly. And maybe here you'll notice feelings related to hunger or digestion. Move through the pelvis and hips, down the legs, and into the feet. Notice the points of contact, the feeling in the joints, and any tension that arises. Also any relaxation that happens. And once you reach the tips of the toes, open up to feel the body as a whole. From head to toe, simply sit with the experience of having a body. See if you can feel the outline of the body, the posture, the subtle changes as you breathe. I'll be silent for a little while to give you the opportunity to stay with your direct experience without the distraction of my voice. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of this practice, do a swift scan of your body to notice what's going on for you in this moment, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? I invite you to make a body scan your regular practice. You can do it first thing in the morning as you wake up, anytime during the day when you notice you're not grounded in the present moment, and or at night. In fact, bedtime body scan is one of the most useful practices to help encourage sleep. You can experiment starting at the head versus starting at the feet at night to see what works best for you, or not only at night, anytime. Just remember to do these scans without any judgment. You don't need to fix anything, figure anything out, or make anything special happen. Simply enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.